Hello students, this is next question, second one. Find the coordinates of the points. Now here we have to remember this word, points of trisection of a line joining 4 comma minus 1 and minus 2 comma minus 3. So I would like to explain this one. We have a point A, 4 comma minus 1 the coordinates, and we have a point B, minus 2 comma minus 3 are the coordinates, and they are asking us, this is only one line, we need trisection points. That means 2 points. When you have 2 points here, this is one point, this could be another point, the whole line will be split into 3 parts, 3 equal parts. 3 parts are different, 3 equal parts are different. Now here trisection means 3 equal parts. Equally we have to divide. One point, cut it, second part, cut it, and the remaining part will be third part. So that for the trisection we are going to get 2 points, one point, another point, but I have shown in separate part. So first of all, I am going to take 1:2 ratio. Here one part is there, here 2 parts are there. So in that manner I will do this one, so that I can find here, I can find one part that is called P. And for the same line, I am going to change the ratio 2:1. One time I am going to, first time I am going to take 1:2, so that I can get a point here, the cut will be here. And another time, here it will be the 2 parts and there will be a cut here. Therefore, I can get 2 points for the same line, but I have shown in 2 separate way, so that we can understand better. So one time 1:2, second time 2:1, so that we will get 2 points. So this will be for another point. So the simple way to find P x comma y, m1:m2, 1:2, write the formula, substitute, simplify, these are the simple numbers, and you will get 2 comma minus 5/3. The point is 2 comma minus 5/3. Now for the same, A point and B point are the same, but now we don't want P, we are going to get Q. Qx comma y, and the ratio is 2:1. Ratio is 2:1. So write down formula, substitute x1 y1 x2 y2, the same x1 y1 x2 y2 are here and there also, but only the difference is the ratio. Here everything is the same, but the ratio 1:2, and here 2:1. Substitute, simplify, you will get answer. Therefore we have 2 points, one point and another point. That's what they're asking, coordinates of points. That means we are going to get 2 points, that is 0 comma minus 7/3 and 2 comma minus 5/3. That's all.